Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the SP500 Index Fund Analysis, the Nasdaq 100 Analysis, the DXY or US Dollar Index Analysis, plus the Bitcoin price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, so let's start our analysis. So the first one, as you see it, guys, here we got the SP500, and the SP500, if you remember what me have been telling you, I tell you like that, we got here a triangle like that, and now that candle which is going now, by the way, it's left for it 1 hour now, or about 2 hours. As when the video is going to be live, if it's breaking like how it is now, you need to enter short, guys. Take profit for that one. You just came here and you do it like that, a line, and the same line, you drop it down here. So it's going to go down till that level here, guys. That last peak here, as you see it, that one here. That where the SP500 is going to go. Why? We don't want to enter in all those things. I explained everything in the last video. You can go back and watch it. The video before in that one, go and watch it there. We will tell you fundamentally why. Because of the Fed, because of Jerome Powell. Jerome Powell, he said he want the inflation to reach to 2%. That meant they are going to increase interest rate more, and that is going to take us all 2023. It's going to increase more interest rate. That way I told you now. It's showing us we are falling. And even when we go here to the daily, here in the daily, guys, as you see it, also we used to have here that wage, that one here. As you remember, people, they've been with us for some time. We have here that wage. As you see it, every time he used to come, he touches, he fall down. And now we came, we touch it here. And now we are falling down again. And people, they've been with us, what me I told you about the SP500. I told you every time he falling down by a head and shoulder. And at the same thing now, it give you here a head and shoulder. As you see it here, that the history, every time it's repeating itself, every time it's falling down by a head and shoulder, guys, as you see it. So the same thing now, it give you here a head and shoulder. And I think we are going to fall down again. So that one here in the daily is going back now to the 4 hours to see what is it there. So guys, here in the 4 hours, you waiting that candle here, which is going now. It needs to finish how it is now, because now it's breaking the 200 moving average down. If it closes like that, you're going to see the SP500 going down till that level here, guys. I'll show you how. Let's see our indicators, what they're saying, guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, we'll be in here at the overbought area, and we're still there. The price action we got now at this moment is that one here, that triangle here, guys. And now the candle which is going now. So guys, every time when it's breaking here, we need to enter that the first price action. The second price action we got here is that one, that channel here, and that one, it hasn't been broken yet, as you see it. So maybe it's going to break it, and we need to wait it a little bit. But for me personally, if just that candle which is going now, that 4 hour candle now, if it's closed like that, closed like how it is now as an engulfing pattern, 100% you're going to see it falling down to here, guys. Picture is too clear, guys. Now it's going to see the Nasdaq 100, what it's doing. So let's go in there. The Nasdaq 100, the same thing, guys. People, they've been with us, what me have been telling you. I tell you, we need to wait in the price to give us here a head and shoulder. And now it gave it to us there, as you see it. The neckline is that one. And that candle which is going now, if it closes like how it is, you're going to see it falling down till here, guys. Till, look with me, till where? Till here. At last peak here or last low here. So that one, even that one is going to fall down, guys, because technical analysis here is telling us that. It's our indicators what they're saying, guys. But guys, one thing is very, very, very important. If that candle here give us here a tail and go back like that, and give us there a pin bar like that, this man is going to give us a big tail from down. That will not falling down, guys. I told you that candle here, it needs to close like how it is now. Now, how that candle it is now. Let's zoom it a little bit to explain to you those things. If you see, guys, what that candle here doing, you see it or no? That candle here, what it doing is an engulfing candle, yes or no? And that engulfing candle, what it's breaking for you? Look here, you put in a horizontal line, you see it or no? It's breaking that level here. But if that candle, that part of that body down here came and show you just a tail there, and the body it close above here, because to know those things, a red candle, as you know, the open of it is up and the close of it is down. That's a red candle, yes or no? So if the close of that red candle it close above that line, there is no entry short. To enter short, the close, it needs to close below that line here, like how it is now. But now it's left for it 2 hours, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So you need to wait in a little bit. You need to wait in that candle to finish. If it doesn't finish like how it is now, there is no entry short. Remember that very, 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 very well. Picture is too clear? By the way, yes, you. Are you not yet a subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Plus guys, every day we put in for you 2 videos. Every day 2 videos. One after European market close and one after the daily candle close. So like that you're going to be very, very, very well updated about what the market doing right now, guys. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. And here guys, watch me show you here in the Nasdaq 100. We do it like that. If you remember, people, they've been with us for some time now. We do over there a wedge like that, and that candle here, it closing below that wedge. By the way, it's left for it 1 hour. If it close like that, the Nasdaq is going to go till that last low here, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicators, what they're saying. Our indicator, as you see it, is it here at the overbought area level. We are in a very, very stronger level, as you see it. Even the 200 moving average is there. Price action, we got 2, not only 1. We got the head and shoulder, and I'll show you the neckline where it is. And we got the one here, as you see it, guys. Everything is made up there. So if that candle close like that, you need to enter short, take profit of you, it needs to be here, and stop loss of you, it needs to be in the top here. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see the DXY, what it's doing today. So let's go in there. The DXY, guys, or US dollar index today is getting green or bullish a little bit, but also we're still here in a downtrend here in the DXY, guys. And I show you all those things before. I told you we got here a down channel like that, and that down channel now also we are in the top of it. It needs to come and to break it up for us to know it's going to go higher, guys. Till now also it's still early for us. Yesterday we used to be 103, today we are 104. So US dollar is going up a little bit because what the Fed said, guys. And the view for them, they want to lower the inflation to 2%, and that is going to take a lot of interest rate hiking in. So I think everything is too clear here. So here in the DXY or US dollar index, it's not yet, guys. We need to wait in a little bit. So for people that trade in Forex, it's not yet. It's not yet. It's not yet. All the pairs against US dollar, it's not yet, guys. You need to wait in a little bit. You need to wait in that break here to happen. If it happen here, it's going to go till the 200 moving average, about 107. But till now, it's not yet. Everything is too clear, guys. So we need to wait in a little bit. Our indicator is the same thing, guys. Nothing was changed. Let's see it. As you see it, it's been here at the oversold area for some time, but it doesn't break in for us the price action. The only price action we used to have here is that down channel here, the one. It needs to be broken up for us to think of to enter long. Till now, nothing completed, so it's still early here for the US dollar index. Now let's go into the Bitcoin to see what the Bitcoin doing today, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, and the Bitcoin, the same thing. If you remember us when we be in here, I told you guys, those people, they enter with us from here, take some of the profit, because us, we enter from here. When we came here, I told you to sell what it equal your investment. It came here, I told you take some of the profit. By the way, that money management strategy is very, 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 very well explained in our crypto investing course. The course is in the first comment. If you're using the couple link down, it will not cost you that much. It's only $13. And believe me, that course is better than million of courses you bought it online by $1,000 and $2,000, because the information in that course you can find it somewhere else because you're learning from professional people. But that's not our topic, guys. I told you here, guys, in the 4 hours as we got here, that up channel, that one, if it doesn't being broken, there is no entry short as you see it. So till now, also we're still in an uptrend here in Bitcoin, guys. No matter what's happening here, it might, that one is going to fall down till here to touch here, and after that you're going to see it going upward. Or another scenario, it might, that one is going to come down here and to break for us down here, then it's going to fall down. And here another thing, if you remember us, we enter long because we used to have there a flag, guys, like that as you see it. So that flag, as you see it now, the Bitcoin, it came down to touch here, that level here, or that last support. So now we need to make a close eye if that supply and demand zone here is going to react like a support or is going to be broken, guys. So it's might from here, you're going to see another going high. So maybe that one is going to give you like that, a high, a low, and over here, just a resistance level here. Then after that, it's going to give you another high. So you need to wait until now there is no entry short and we don't got any price action here, indicating for us also we need to enter short. Maybe it's going to give us a double top or something like that. But till now, there is nothing, guys. Everything still look the same. Nothing was changed. As you see it, even if you put it like that, uptrend like that, you still far away from it. It's need to touch it here, and after that to go up, and now you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. Look at it. It's going to be with that trend line here. That's what me I told you. You need to wait a little bit to see what's going to happen. Till now, nothing was changed, guys. And as you see here down, the volume is getting lower and lower, guys. So maybe that one just rest a level like that. Then after that, you're going to see it going up. So you need to wait in a little bit, guys. Everything is very simple, guys. Maybe it's going to give us here a price action in that level, indicating for us to enter long again. So we need to wait in a little bit, guys. Now it's going to see our indicators what the same for pictures to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, when it touch here, I told you guys, people to be in with us, take some of the profit. Now look where we are. We came down, we're touching that downtrend here. That way I told you maybe from here, you're going to see another going up. So till now, us, we still here, guys, in the place where is the bulls, the controlling, and we still in an uptrend, and that's what me have been telling you. There is no downtrend and the trend hasn't changed yet. Also, we're still in an uptrend, guys. Here in the 4 hours, I'm talking about swing trading. We need to wait and know what's going to happen. But don't enter, don't buy now. Now, if you buy, you are someone out of his mind. Now, there is no buying now. Now, also, we're looking to enter short, guys. Now, we're looking to enter short. Why? I'm going to tell you why. All those things, I explain it to you. Now, it's going to see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, guys. As you see it, also we are here at the overbought area. So we need to look at the enter short, guys, here. To enter short, you make it like that. And you can even make it like that, a wedge or a triangle like that, guys. As you see it, that's another scenario. You can make it like that. If it's breaking down, you enter short. Or the same thing, that downtrend is the same thing if you do it like that, as a up channel like that. If it came down here and breaking down here, you enter short, guys. Till now, there is no price action indicating for us as we need to enter short. And as you see, guys, that's what me have been telling you all the time. I told you we got here a very stronger supply and demand zone. As you see it, we've been touching it every time we fall down. And now we touch it here. And now the Bitcoin is showing it's falling down. As you see it, now either from here is going to give us another low and it's going to break for us that last low here, that one for long term. So it's going to fall down a little bit more than that and to go to that 10K, those people they dreaming of. Or maybe another scenario is going just to come here to the 200 moving average. Then after that, it's going to give us another high and it's going to go back inside that level here. And that one is the best scenario can happen in for people they believe in Bitcoin. That one here is the bottom. So guys, let's wait on what's going to happen in the coming days. Now let's go in, guys, to 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes. And if there is any scalping opportunity for today. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. 30 minutes, people to be in with us. We enter short. Just the last video, go back and watch it. I tell you to enter short from here. The video before that one, go and watch 30 minutes. The last part of it, you're going to find it. Me, I tell you to enter short from here. Why? Because we used to have here a divergence. And I told you to take profit at the 200 moving average. Look where you are. You are at the 200 moving average. Told you, take the profit. Don't close everything. Close what you invest. You invest $100 from here. Take here what is equal $100. And you're going to left with other money. Maybe it's going to drop more than that. Why? Let's see our indicators, guys, what they're saying. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, also we are now at the oversold area. That way, I told you, take what is equal your investment and you leave the other. Even if it go up, you will sell it, you will make profit. But if it fall down more, you're going to make double of that profit you're going to take from here. That's when I told you, take some of the profit now. Now, guys, should you enter long? Do you got any price action there indicating for you need to enter long? You can make like that, maybe a wedge like that, or the down one, you take it off and you wait in that one to come to break upward here. If it's breaking upward, you close everything and you buy a buy order from here. Till now, us, there is no buy yet, and we need to wait in a little bit till the break happening here, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? So that's it for that video, guys, and don't forget to support us by liking the video, writing down a comment. See you after the daily candle. Finish it, guys. Bye for now.